Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove like items on Dress to Impress. So if you're new at this game and you've accidentally clicked too much items on your outfit and it just looks really bad, you can basically just go and press this icon on the right side of your screen. If you're clicking on the outfit, you won't be able to see it, so press X first, then select this icon, and you're going to delete the items that you want to delete. For instance, this one, and I don't know, this one, and this one, and let's delete one more wing, and you're left with this. Once you're done, just press X again if it's in the way, but that is how you can remove items. I know the first time I played Dress to Impress, I was very confused on how to remove items, but that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.